America. This is Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing's Marketing Tip of the Day. Today, I want to talk to you about welcome kits. What are they? Why should you use them? And how they work? A welcome kit is a piece of collateral material that you would hand to or mail to a new customer that has done business with you. Now, what's the purpose of the welcome kit? Well, the purpose of the welcome kit is twofold. One, obviously, you're going to welcome them to the business, introduce them to, staff, employees, procedures, things like that. But also, you're going to introduce other products and services that you offer. Let's say you're a dental office and the person came in for your new patient special dental cleaning. So a dental office, maybe you have for your teeth whitening, maybe some of your cosmetic dentistry services, other more profitable things that the customer might be interested in. Now, what could you do besides just a printed welcome kit? There's been things along the line for years. You've got pens, you've got coffee mugs, you got t-shirts, you got all that type of stuff. But the printed marketing material by far goes the longest to actually ensure that you're going to get future business, because it plants seeds for opportunities for you to do business in the future with this customer. So welcome kits, if you're in a service type industry, you really should have one. They're pretty easy to design and do. We have templates that you can use to help you design that. And if you need help, please talk to one of our marketing consultants. I hope this video helped you and enlightened something that's probably missing in your new customer arsenal, and that's a welcome kit. So hope this helped. Have a great day. If you like the content, hit the like button below and share the video and tell a buddy, bring a friend, and we appreciate your viewership. Thank you.